Across the past 5 days, we've seen some pretty heavy rain in parts of Queensland, particularly in Cardwell. 600 millimetres has been recorded there now after some very heavy falls. Around the Townsville area, the rain hasn't quite been as heavy, but we're now totaling up close to 100 millimetres in the Townsville area and for Magnetic Island, as the rain has actually started to increase now that the weather system Owen has moved inland, so those showers have become a fair bit more prolific in the Townsville area as it's eased up a little bit more further north. But you can see we'll continue to see showers in the far north, showers and storms in New South Wales. They'll start to intensify Wednesday and particularly into Thursday. Look at the heavy rain moving through eastern parts of the country as this low pressure system starts to form, and you can see the rain wrapping along that low pressure trough right through the east of the country from Tasmania up to Cape York Peninsula. And we'll see that rain continuing to linger through Friday and into the weekend. We'll start to see the focus with the remnants of Owen making its way down the Queensland coast, and then it will shift off the coast as we move into the start of next week as the jet stream will be pushing it off the coast. But you can see drier conditions starting to develop as we push into next week as all of this heavy rain finally subsides by then. But let's have a look at it. We've got showers and storms across today for northern New South Wales and also along the central ranges as well, and showers and storms for southern parts of Western Australia. Some of those storms in both of those regions will be severe. Into Wednesday, storms will become a little bit more prolific through Victoria and New South Wales, but on Thursday, that's when it will really start to ramp up. This heavier shading here is indicating 25 to 50 millimetres widespread from about Melbourne up to central parts of New South Wales, with quite a few thunderstorms spreading right up into western parts of Queensland and across the tropics as well. And we'll see some heavier falls pushing through the Queensland tropics again from about Friday onwards. That's when the rain will start to increase, and we've got some pretty decent totals lingering on through eastern parts of New South Wales on the Friday. We'll start to see that rain clearing out for southeastern parts of the country on the weekend, but still there's quite a few showers around and also thunderstorms as that low pressure system lingers and weakens. But in Queensland, we'll still have some heavy falls around on Sunday as well as it finally starts to ease back on Monday. But totals for the week are huge. Widespread falls, 50 to 100 millimetres right from Tasmania to Cape York Peninsula, and we've got some areas in that which are expecting heavier falls above 100 millimetres, especially in far northern Queensland and also in far northern parts of the NT as well.
It could be a bit of a wet weekend depending on where you are in Australia. In the west and across the interior, it's said to be lovely, dry, even hot for some places. But as we have a look at the southeast, we're going to see this wild weather starting to ease back. However, ex-tropical cyclone Owen, this system set to now track down the coast, delivering potentially heavy falls for areas including Brisbane. Now, as I mentioned, the heat is on across parts of the west and also the interior of the country this weekend. Temperatures surging up into the 40s once again. Perth going for a top of 32 degrees, and it should be mostly sunny. We're going to see those showers and thunderstorms across parts of the southeast, including Melbourne and Hobart. Potentially heavy falls there, but it'll start to ease back into Sunday, and heavy falls also around southeast Queensland as we see that system drifting further south. That's going to ease back for you on Sunday. We're also going to see that weather starting to ease back across the southeast. Things staying warm and sunny across the interior though.